Hi, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you a brand new tutorial about Visual Studio Code. Specifically, we will talk today about how to add your GitHub repository. So, first of all we need to do is get our Visual Studio Code set it up. So how to do that? You can just go to your browser and then search for Visual Studio Code, and from here you can go and click on this website and download it. But first, before we click on this website, guys, please don't make any mistake between these two programs. The first one, which is on the right, it is the Visual Studio Code and the software that we are going to use today. But the one on the left, it is Visual Studio. And basically they are so different, and basically we are not going to use this one. We are going to use the blue one. So let's go back over here. Make sure that you are going to the code.visualstudio.com, not visualstudio.com. And from here, you can just click here to download for Windows or Mac OS through these two options. Now, how we can get or add your Git repository. Basically, if there is any GitHub or any extension of GitHub in here, you can just go ahead and use them. So if you want in here and search for Git repository, if we can find that. So here we go. There is nothing here that actually help us make anything with GitHub. So all we need to do is go to GitHub. So for example, we go to GitHub from here.com, and we all need to do is to sign in or sign up. So it depends if you have an account or not yet. I will sign in, so you can just put here your account and try to log in, and basically yeah, that's it. So when you log in, you will be in the GitHub. After that guys, all you need to do is, for example, let's choose a language, which is for example Python. So GitHub, which can say something like simple Python array. So we get here and we will find something like for Python array. So here we go, code, and let's search in here. You can even look at here. So basically all you need to do is go to GitHub and keep searching for the software, or not the software, basically the code that will be satisfying you the most. Back to you guys. So I had a problem with my internet connection, so sorry guys. So here we go. So here it is, the Python code or whatever Python code you want. This is so complicated. I don't know what this code do or does, but yeah, for example, if you need this, for example, this code, all you need to do is copy the whole code like that and then go to Visual Studio. So let me just go over here, copy everything, Control C, and then go to Visual Studio Code, install Python language. If you don't have it already, just install it, and if you have it, you don't have to really to install it. So after we finish with that, all you need to do is wait until it's fully installed in your PC, and it will not take a lot of time guys. It will take like half a minute or like a minute, which is not too long for a language to be installed, to be honest. So here it is installing, and basically when it is installed, all I will show you how to create a new file in Python. So let's go here. All you need to do is click on new file, as you can see over here, or you can go to it from here, which is new file. And what you have to do is, now as you can see, I don't have the Python file, but once it is installed, all you need to do is write the name, for example, tutorial, and then write dot py, and just like so, we'll have your Python file created. So if you want to do that, I will go like that, Visual Studio Code, and I will paste it over here, create file, and here it is. So here it is, the Python file. So what I'm going to do basically is just paste the code that I got, and yeah, if you have all the libraries and everything settled up, you will not have any problem running this code, as you can see here. So all you need to do is click here and run debug, and just like so, you will need, as you can see here, some extensions in the marketplace. So and for me, I don't have like the, Python, so it is still installing, as you can see here. That's why I can't really run the code. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.